Amazon jungle is always an interesting subject for people all over the world. Let's see what are there inside the Amazon jungle. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It covers an enormous 6.7 million square kilometers. The Amazon rainforest, also called Amazon jungle or Amazonia. The rainforest spans over 9 different countries: Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guyana. The majority of the forest, 60%, is in Brazil, followed by Peru with 13%, Colombia with 10%, and other 17% belongs to countries already mentioned. The Amazon represents over half of Earth's remaining rainforests and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world, with an estimated 390 billion individual trees in about 16,000 species. The Amazon is thought to be home to 10% of known species on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is known to be home to 427 mammal species, 1,300 bird species, 378 species of reptiles, and more than 400 species of amphibians. Species are still being discovered every year. Over 10,000 species of beetles have been discovered in this area over the last decade. The most common animals that live in the Amazon rainforest are squirrel monkey, green iguana, jaguar, howler monkey, tapir, caiman, capybara, scarlet macaw, pink river dolphins, sloths, and black spider monkeys. Most dangerous animals that call the Amazon rainforest home are electrical eel, green anaconda, jaguar, piranha, and poison dart frog. Deadliest ant that found in Amazon is bullet ant. The bullet ant stretches almost 1.5 inches in length, and only a few of them are needed to take down a grown human being. The bullet ant is called such because its sting is equal to being shot, according to some victims. Euterpe precatoria is the most common tree found in Amazon jungle. It is a palm tree belonging to the Ericaceae family. The Amazon is the ancestral home of 1 million Indians. They are divided into about 400 tribes, each with its own language, culture, and territory. Indigenous people of Amazon depends on hunting, gathering wild fruits, nuts, and fishing. Indigenous people also plant small gardens for other sources of food using a sustainable farming method called shifting cultivation. The Amazon River beside the Amazon jungle is the longest river by discharge volume of water in the world and the disputed longest river system in the world in comparison to the Nile River. Deforestation in the Amazon has occurred as a result of farmers clearing land for mechanized cropland. Also, vast areas of rainforest were felled for cattle pasture and soy farms, drawn for dams, dug up for minerals, and bulldozed for towns and colonization projects. Consequences of deforestation in the Amazon include a significant loss of species and their habitats, a disturbance of indigenous people and their health, fire and increase in carbon dioxide emission, and a negatively altered water cycle around the globe. Rainforest canopies absorb carbon dioxide. When the rainforests are burnt and cleared, carbon dioxide is released. Also, when trees are cut down, they can no longer absorb carbon dioxide. This means more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In order to protect our environment, government of those countries must take actions to preserve Amazon jungle.